Hello guys, welcome back today. Today's topic is data validation. So what is data validation? Suppose this is our data which you have asked someone to fill in and you have three products, namely orange, apple and kiwi only. You don't want any other product by mistake also someone inputting. So to create a list which will restrict a person to input a data in your format, you can use data validation tool to remove that error or stop that error. So you can insert a data validation in a particular cell like by going to data. Here in data tools you have data validation. Click on it. Now this data validation gives you many options. So any value means you can anyways allow any value on it. A whole number, maybe a decimal, range between a decimal points. You want a list which we will be showing now. If it's a date, then whether you want to restrict the entry of date between any period, time or text length or any other thing. So let's see first list. So if I select a list, it will ask me a list and it will ask me a source. So we will see two ways of typing that list. One is manually. So I say orange, apple and kiwi. Then any information I want to give to the person who is inputting the data, I just say product list and I just say select. And if I want to stop them, I just say it's an error, invalid entry. If I say OK, you see you will have a drop down list here. So they have to select only from these three products. They cannot type anything else. Let's check if it's working. So if I type any other fruit, I say mango, it will give me an error of invalid entry. So unless I select any product from the list, it will not allow me to type it. Now, if I don't want to type, suppose if you think your list is very long, so you can give a reference to your list. So I have here type the list. So again, you can go to your option settings. Now this source you have to just change it to the selected and select the list. Don't forget to freeze it and say OK. You see you have the list. If I change here any of the fruit, so if I say I want to go to mango, so in the drop down you will find you have mango, not orange. It has changed, so it becomes a dynamic list. That's all for today. Thank you.